me, or does anyone else have to go through like an entire process or ritual before they actually do anything to their hair? I know I can't be the only one. Like, I have to make sure that I have my glass full of my bougie water. I have to make sure the music and the ambiance is right. I am absolutely loving chill radio on Apple Music. Like, that is my go-to playlist. I love to play. So it's like it's a whole experience before I get ready to treat my hair or do any type of treatments. So speaking of treatments, that is what I'm doing today. I am doing a follow-up video to my first impression using henna powder. In this video, there will be a couple differences because I have some additional ingredients. One, I'll be adding in amla powder, and then I'll also be adding in MSM powder. This mixture will call for 2 tablespoons of henna powder. Then I'll have 1 tablespoon of amla powder. MSM powder comes with like this little scooper, so I'll have like 2 little scoops. I really don't know what that is, but 2 little scoops of the MSM powder. And then I would be lying to you guys if I told you how much water I use, because I started with about a half a cup of water, and that obviously was not enough. And then I did have to go in and just add like another maybe 1/4 of a cup. So basically, when it comes to adding the water, I just suggest for you to add as much water as you would need for the consistency that you're looking for. So that it just all depends. I also wanted to go ahead and just touch on really quick the reason why I decided to add in the MSM powder. MSM is a natural sulfur compound. Sulfur has been proven to lengthen the growth phase of your hair. If we are able to achieve a longer growth phase before resting and shedding, essentially means longer hair. I'm not really sure why I decided to just scoop it out of the bowl and just plop it on my head like this, but I mean, I'm always living on the edge. What can I say? What I would like for you to get out of this demonstration is that, one, don't be like me, but also to make sure if you are applying this and this is your first time, to just really concentrate on the ends of your hair, and then I also concentrate on my actual scalp. Overall, since I have been using this every other wash day for the last like 2 months, I really feel like my hair is the strongest it's ever been. Like, I really feel like this particular treatment, one, my hair, obviously I haven't lost any hair really, and I know that has to do with this henna treatment. I also want to mention, like, I don't know why I chose to not, one, put like some type of oil around the perimeter of my hairline. And then also, I don't know why I didn't use gloves. Like, I literally got this stuff all over my hands because it stains. Like, it was just staining me all over the place. It glides on very smooth and silky. But please, if you're going to do this, please use gloves and don't be like me. So once I realized that I should have been using gloves all along, that's when I went and decided to put on some gloves after the fact, after I had already stained the mess out of my hands. But I digress. So I put some gloves on, and I did go ahead and do the other side of my head. Same technique, nothing really special or whatever. I just again continue to just scoop it and plop, and then I did leave this on my hair for I believe about 2 hours, and then I just started doing some other stuff. I did go ahead and wash it out, and then I did apply conditioner after I washed it out. I would say overall, I really, really enjoyed this particular henna powder. I can't compare it to any other henna powder because I've never tried any other type of henna. So I don't know, I don't know what to compare it to, but my hair loves it so far, so I'm going to definitely keep using it. I definitely like the combination of the MSM and the amla powder all together. Like, that's a winning combination for me. Let me know what you have mixed your henna with, if you've ever done a henna treatment before. And if you haven't done one, why haven't you tried it? I guess maybe if you're not on a hair growth journey, but if you're not on a hair growth journey, then what type of journey are you on? The next couple of months, I am going to focus on trying to thicken up my hair again, because I feel like I kind of fell off of my onion juice treatments, and I have a couple months left out of the year before I do my final length check. So that is what I am going to be focusing on, and we're going to see if I can truly get to waist length before the end of 2021. Wish me luck. If you are on this journey with me, let me know what is your length goal. And that's pretty much it. Just look at my final results, y'all. Like, my hair is strong. Like, I'm losing less hair. It feels healthy. It's not dried out. I'm just loving it. Well, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not subscribed to the channel already, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one.